Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me talk about how you can turn off the headphone mode on your iPad. It kind of depends on which iPad you have. You know, the older models used to have a headphone jack, so you could connect like these wired headphones with this 3.5mm jack. So if you have this type of connection on your iPad, it's very likely that some kind of debris or dust has got inside of the port, right? Like the newer iPads, like the iPad Pro in front of me, or even this iPad Mini, well, those don't really have this port for 3.5mm jack anymore. But for the older iPads, as I said, make sure to gently clean out and try to get out some kind of dirt or debris outside of the 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's very likely the reason why your iPad thinks it's in the headphone mode, because it thinks that the headphones are actually connected, right? But it's not. It's probably just the dirt, or as I say, the kind of like debris pointing or pressing onto that connector, right? So this is what I would recommend you to do in case you have the iPad with this type of headphone connection. And if not, if you have something like this, from the newer models, then what you need to do is basically make sure that the sound output is not selected to anything else, right? So if I go to the control center and have the music player in here, I can click on the AirPlay icon in the top right, and as you can see, I might be sharing the audio or playing it not through the speakers of the iPad, but for example to the Apple TV in my living room, or it might be some kind of like Bluetooth speaker in here, or HomePod, or the headphones, right? So you want to make sure that the speakers of the iPad are being used, so the iPad is not going to think that it's supposed to use headphones or some kind of Bluetooth speaker. So that's something I would do. And if not, just make sure to restart the iPad, update to the latest software, and hopefully it's going to be fixed by then. So let me know if I managed to help you out. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.